Okay, Mr. Yari, קימור, over here. Okay, all the way from Israel, an innovation guru.
Take the cigarette foil from the cigarette pack and put in the lady's hand.
It's warm.
You cannot hold it anymore? Suppose I didn't do what I just did. Probably your reaction would have been, that's impossible. But I wanted to show you that the impossible can be possible as the exact idea of our meeting. I wanted you to think about the way we think in order to increase our creative thinking, as you'll see later on. How much is it together? 1,040. Together, please. 2,040. All of you? 5,000. Why I could predict that 90% plus, here 100%, will say 5,000 and be wrong. It's not a test of mathematical challenge. It is a live creation of fixation. We rely on experience, all of us. So I would say that our experience, that all of us share, is like the flashlight tied to our back and lights our past. It doesn't necessarily light our future if there is new challenge, as we said. Danny's mother had 3 kids, A, B, and Danny, not C, Danny. Danny's mother, right? We listen to what we expect should be the question and not to the question. I would like all of you, and speak out loudly, to count from 10 to 1 in reverse, please, now. Okay, the problem was that you didn't listen to the challenge. 10 to 1 in reverse is 1, 2, 3. So can it be different? No dimension. That it is a tool in the toolbox of creative thinking that I would like to share with you right now. This is a lady, okay, the cigarette. I put the woman here. I cut her to 3 pieces. In front of your eyes, she becomes whole. This is the magic. The explanation. The lady is outside, still she is cut. Of course, the missing lady has just one place, and this is this one. And that was the no dimension up to 2 minutes ago. Up till a few years ago, all the international calls from Israel before satellite went through a huge cables under the sea and went all over the world. The capacity of the cable is 100,000 calls. An Israeli engineer from ECI Telecom, an Israeli company, backed by an American investment, asked each signal of the words needs some electronic energy. But we need also a certain amount of energy to keep the signals of the silence, of the listening. Can we use this silence in order to fill it up with new signals of words? And the answer was yes, this is a basic idea of condensing. They actually used the new sentences to have new silences, so they actually increased it by 5. Simple technique, that's it. And there are dozens more. I want to show you this spoon, okay? This famous spoon. Can we... Okay. This is the impossible, but because this presentation is called The Impossible is Possible, this is the possible. Okay. Right? Now we don't need any more this one, just like this. Okay. Thank you. So if you'll take one grain of an idea from what I spoke about today, maybe this grain can grow and have some kind of benefit to yourselves, to your company, to your clients. And if that happens, you'll be happy. And if you are happy, I'm happy too. Thank you very much. Thank you.